All right, let me ask you this question. Do you have 5 minutes spare time every day? Because if you have 5 minutes spare time every day, you will make money with this 5 minutes every day. And this is what I'm about to show you in today's tutorial, how you can use this 5 minutes to earn money online every day. And the money you're going to earn on this website, you can withdraw it with PayPal, you can withdraw it also with gift card or with direct banking. So also make sure to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be giving you a bonus to even earn more money online starting from after watching this video. But before we move on to that, please subscribe to my channel where I show you different methods on how to make money online. So you want to subscribe to that, do that now. I would really appreciate that. And also turn on notification bell button, so each time when I create new videos like this, you will get notified. And also one more thing, don't forget to leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate that, because this will motivate me to give you more free content on how to make money online. So with that being said, let's move on in today's video. The website I'm going to be showing you is called Paydays.com. So this is already Paydays.com. As you can see, you can turn your time into money. Working online has become easy without any previous experience using all-in-one solution provided by Paydays to get paid doing multiple tasks without leaving your home. So this is a very cool opportunity for you. You can also do these tasks no matter where you are. You can be outdoor, you can be indoor, no matter where you are. You can be at the gym, no matter where you are. You can do these tasks, and you don't even need too much time to finish this task, and you can earn money by doing that. So let's move on and go through this website. Like we said, you have unlimited tasks here on this website to do for money. So the type of tasks you should be expecting on this website are sign up tasks, complete surveys. And if you even want to earn more money on this website, you can invite friends. I'm going to show you a very effective way to invite friends and earn money by doing that. So you can see they have already 930,000 members, and they have done over 7 million taxes. So, and they have paid so much amount to the members. So as you can see, this is one testimonial from Jackson Dashboard, earns $117 on this website. So these are payment proof and reviews to make you know that this website is legit, and they are still paying their members out there for doing simple taxes. So to join this website is very easy. All you just need to do is go click on create account. So it's going to bring you to this next page where you can enter your first name, your last name, your username, your email address, and your password, and the password confirmation, and you are ready to use this website. After doing that, you just need to go to your email and open your email address, and then you're going to verify your email address, and you can start using this website. So if you sign into this website, it looks like this. As you can see, this is already my dashboard. Once you open an account, you're going to get 50 cents on your account, okay, for opening your account. There are different type of surveys here that I can do. As you can see, this one for 13 cents, this one for 15 cents, this one for 17 cents, 11 cents, 24 cents, and you can see these surveys doesn't take so long. You have one for 25 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 12 minutes, and 20 minutes. And there's something I want you to know, that you don't have to be so much accurate, okay, by answering these surveys. So you have different type of surveys that you can do here. As you can see, the minimum one survey is for 12 minutes. So they have so many tasks you can do here, okay. This one now is for 390 cents, and the other one is for 459 cents. So you just have to click on it to do this task. It's very easy as that. And if you don't want that, you can go here and choose different type of offers that you can do, okay. But we're going to leave that for now, because we're not going to do that. I want to show you an easier way, a fastest way to make money using this website is to just go to the referrals. Alright guys, as you can see here, you will earn 10 cents per valid referral. All they just have to need to do to be valid is that they need to sign up with your link, okay, which this is your link here. This is what you're going to be copying, and this is what you're going to be promoting, which I'm going to be showing you exactly how to promote this in an effective way and earn money for that. So you get 10 cents per valid referral. This is not so much, but at least it's still something for that 5 minutes that you have a day to do this. So what you want to just do now is to get more referrals. You just want to copy this link here, okay, and then you want to go to Instagram. You want to go search for Make Money Online. So you want to go to Make Money Online niche, okay, to start search for pages like this one here. If you don't have an Instagram page for this, you can also create a page based on making money online, and this is what you want to start posting content like this one here. As you can see, okay, you want to start posting different content on how to make money online, and then what you're going to do is that you want to write a bio, and in your bio you can just leave the link in your Instagram bio. So when somebody clicks on this, okay, and sign up, you're going to earn money for doing that. All right, guys. So, and as you can see here, there are different type of surveys here that you can still do to earn money with this website. So I hope you gain value in today's video, and if so, please don't forget to give this video a like and also comment below. Let me know what type of payment do you prefer. Do you prefer PayPal or you prefer direct banking? So if you think today's method is too difficult for you and you want a easy done for you method, so I will highly recommend to you to check out the link in this video description below and click on that. You will land on this page here. You will land on this Monster Mode 700k auto commission system. This is the auto commission system that will enable you to make $500 a day on autopilot. You don't need to do any work. Once again, it's already done for you software. All you just need to do is to set it up one time and start earning money on autopilot. This is a 100% done for you software. We'll walk you through how to set this up yourself and start earning money on daily basis. This is one of the insane software I've seen, and people are making good amount of money using this software. As you can see, over $74,000 here and over $11,000 here, and so on, even up to $95,000 per month. This is what you can make using this platform. So all you just need to do is to set this up in 3 steps. Everything will be shown to you how to set it up yourself, and you can start making money on autopilot. So make sure you check the link in the description. I'm going to leave the links in this video description. Make sure you go click on it, and after that I will see you on the other side. Thank you for watching this video. Peace.